Like there are things that outperform Bitcoin. And that is like the underlying question on whether or not you should allocate and risk your coins is not the returns in US dollars, is it going to beat the price appreciation of Bitcoin? Like I used to do a lot of private equity with a guy called Mike Jarmuz in Bitcoin. And that was the first thing I would talk very honest to investors is just like, look, don't invest in this company if you don't think it's going to outperform Bitcoin, because that's a silly thing to do. Why would you trade your Bitcoin for less Bitcoin? But the only way to properly measure that is to think in Bitcoin terms. So like I would argue over time, like there's probably plenty of people who are new, and like I would say for them, like not to give investment advice, but it's probably best to have some Bitcoin to start. So like, and then you have to decide what is your risk profile, how much of that stack are you willing to risk to go try to outperform Bitcoin. If you're open to doing that, then like Roxom Exchange is for you, and you should be using that because otherwise you're just not using a correct denominator, and you don't have accurate numbers, and you're not actually seeing the performance versus what you could have had just holding Bitcoin. So it's like it gives you a whole new calculus to measure your investments and assess risk.